Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw a Roblox Piggy King Ghidorah. So hope you guys follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our Roblox Piggy themed Ghidorah, I'm going to start by making a couple circles. So I'm just going to use this little circle template to help me. So I'm going to go ahead and do my first circle right about here in the middle. So first thing I want to do is just trace my first circle, and this is going to be my first head of Ghidorah. Now I'm going to put the next one here. I'm going to lower it just a little bit, and we'll do the same thing. So I'm just going to go ahead and trace my circle. And then I'll do the same thing over here. I'm going to leave a little bit of space, and I'll come in here and trace my third circle for the last head of Ghidorah. Now, the next step I want to do is I want to make the mouth inside of here. So I'm going to go ahead and continue using my little circle template, and I'm going to trace another circle inside each one. So I'm going to use this circle right here, and I'm going to trace one here. I'll do the same thing on this one, and then I'm going to do the exact same thing on this one. So now those are going to be the mouths of my Roblox Piggy Ghidorah. Next, what I'm going to do is we're going to add the eyes on here. So I'm going to begin right here, and I'll add a circle for an eye. I'm going to leave some space, and then we'll add another circle for an eye over here. We'll do this on each one. So we'll put a circle on each one. I'm kind of just touching the nose or the mouth area. Might be a little bit of space in between some, but we want to keep it really close to there. Next, I'm going to make a line that comes across each mouth here. So we're just going to make a little line. And then I'm going to make a small little circle or two circles inside each one for the nose. Now, starting on the sides, I'm going to make a line that goes out and then in, and out and in. We'll do the same thing here. I'm going to go out and in, out and in. And I'll do that to each one. We're just going to put these little spikes on the sides here, just so it looks like Ghidorah's got some nice spikes on the side of his face. So we're going to put that on each one. Just go out and in, out and in. Now starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come out to a point, and then it's going to come down. Do the same thing here. We're just going to go out, come up to a point, and then down. We'll do this on each one. We're just going to go out and then come back in. So go out, come up to a point, and then in. Let's go out, come up to a point, in. Out, come up to a point, and in. Next on each one, let's just go ahead and add a few little curved lines. I'll put about 4 on each one. And this will just add a little bit of texture and detail onto our little Roblox Piggy themed Ghidorah. So we'll just add 4 little lines on each one. Now, most of the Roblox Piggy characters don't have necks, but we're going to have to add a neck onto ours just because we need to make the long neck of Ghidorah. So I'm going to start here, and I'm just going to draw a line that's going to come down. And we'll do the same thing. I'm just going to draw a line that's going to come down. Next, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to curve down. We'll do the same thing here. I'm just going to draw a line that's going to curve down. Right here, we're going to draw a line that's going to go out and then down. Same thing here. We're going to go out and then down. Right here, I'm going to make a line that's going to come down and over. We'll do another one. We'll go down and over for a point, and then down and over. Same thing here. We'll start inside. We'll curve it down to a point and over. And we'll do that 2 more times. Do one here, and then we'll bring it over. Next, let's just draw this line up. And we'll do the same thing here. We're just going to draw it up. Now let's draw a little line across. Now starting about right here where the spike meets the head, let's draw a line that comes in, and we'll do the same thing here. We'll just draw a line that comes in, and then we'll do the same thing on the other side, and we'll just bring it in so it gets big out here and then small here. So we'll do the same thing, and then we'll just bring it in. Now we want to add the wings on here. So to add the wings, I'm just going to draw a line that's going to curve out, and we'll do the same thing on here. We're just going to curve it out. We'll draw 2 little pointed spikes on the top. So we'll draw 2 over here as well. Then I'm going to draw a line that's going to come down to a point and then up. We'll do the same thing. We'll come down to a point, and then we'll come up. We'll draw another point here, and then up. Do one here, another point, and then we'll come up. Then I'm just going to bring this right back towards the body on each side. We'll add a little curved line that goes up and down, and then one that comes all the way up to here. Do the same thing. We'll connect these two, and then we'll just connect these 2 parts here. And there you go. There is your drawing of a Roblox Piggy Ghidorah. Now, if you want to add a tail, you can. To add a tail, I would just keep it real simple and just draw like a little line that's going to come down and in. And then we'll make another one that's just going to go down and in, and then bring it up here. But that's optional if you want to. Now there's more you could add. You could always add some detail on the stomach, maybe some lines coming down here for the neck, but I'm just going to keep mine pretty simple and just leave it like this. But there you go. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.